What's happening, friends and family of the internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. I always struggle with doing the introduction. Like now I'm doing the introduction after I've already done the video. Most of the time I'm like, okay, I'm going to film, but I don't do the introduction first. I just decide something that I decide abrupt, like I'm going to film today. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you if you're subscribed. Oh my gosh, we are at 51 subscribers. Can you believe that? 50 people are listening to whatever nonsense I have to say. No, it's not nonsense. 51 people, like 51 people are a room, and they believe in me, and they're actually interested in what I have to say, what I do. Thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. In case you're watching this now, just subscribe. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like too. It's not going to cost you anything. So on today's video, I am going to show you products of clients. There's actually a cat on the car. Okay. As I was saying, today I'm going for a client package, and oh god, some of the Udomas are actually they're actually broken. Some of them are actually broken, and I feel so bad. I don't know what to tell her. I don't know, sijui nitalipisha the shipping agent ama nitaongea na supplier, because I had told him to label that those items are fragile. He did not do that. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am going to do a part 2. I'm going to do a follow-up of this video and tell you what happens, because there are other products that I had requested, and they actually came out. They were half of what I had asked for: guashas and face rollers, the face massage rollers, and I had ordered 15 pieces, and 7 of them were actually faulty. Kuna zenye zilikuwa zimetokana, kuna zenye zilikuwa zimevunjika, some were rusted, and so I'm going to do a follow-up video of the same. I'm actually very disappointed because I feel vibaya. Like, I don't know what I'm going to tell her, and the way she has been waiting for those items for the past 1 month and some change hapo juu. But I'm going to tell her. I hope hatasikia vibaya. But I'm also going to talk with the supplier, and I'm also going to talk with the shipping agent. Nijue sasa, like, just see fault a shipping agent. Am I ranting right now? But see fault a shipping agent because they didn't know what was the content of the box. So the supplier ought to have labeled that those products were fragile. I'm going to do a follow-up on this, guys. I'm going to open that package and show you what has happened. I might or might not mix products, those other things. There's another package that I had ordered for my client. I might do them in this video, and niache kufanya video fupi. So yeah, I'll combine them. So on this video, I am going to open packages of people that so hot. This is a sweater because it's part of the outfit. Aesthetics, bana. So like I was saying, so on this video, I'm going to open 2 packages for people I have shipped for. One is serving dishes, and the other one is baby shoes. So guys, in case you have any questions about shipping, about sourcing, just contact me. Feel free to contact me. Imagine me ufunzana bure. Free. If you want me to source for you and import for you, hapo ndio nitacharge. So let me not make half of the video the introduction. Let's just dive onto the video. We're going to first unbox the serving dishes, and then we are going to unbox the baby shoes. Okay?
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Patia huyo jamaa. Iko sawa. Unaiona?
Acha ni record in case. It's exactly what I wanted.
Sawa.
Yeah. We kimeniramba. Package ya client wangu imefika from Alibaba. We had ordered 4 sets of the 1.5 liters serving dishes and food warmers or chafing dishes. The package took around 38 days to arrive. We used Salihia World Cargo and we paid a total of 7,200 shillings shipping fee. Unfortunately, 2 bolts zilikuwa zimevunjika. The supplier did not label and package them well, but he agreed to replace them. This beautiful 1.5 liters food warmers ziko available. I will leave the number ya the lady. You can contact her if you need to purchase one for your family or visitors. Ungetaka nikusaidie kuimport nini? I help people in sourcing and importing products from Alibaba for a small fee of 1,000 bob. My number is on the screen. Package ya client wangu imefika from Alibaba. We had ordered 50 pairs of canvas kids sport shoes in 2 colors, black and pink. What we ordered is exactly what we got. They are beautiful and very durable and very original. Initially, my client had requested for air transport, and after kukua packaged, zikakuwa 17 kilos, which would have been very expensive for my client. But luckily, my shipping agent agreed to change it to sea. The package took around 42 days from the day the payment was done to the moment I received them because of the changing of the modes of transport. We used Salihia World Cargo shipping agent. Tulichajiwa 4,000 because the space it took was 0.07 cubic meters. Kama ingekuja via air tungechajiwa around 34k. Viatu ziko available for 950 bob only. Namba yake iko kwa screen. Call her in case you need one and call me kama unataka kushipiwa anything.